Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on ACT. So first off guys, what you're gonna do is click on register for the ACT, then click on OK, and after that just wait a second or two. Here we go guys, just wait, it won't take that much. Just be steady. I don't know what to tell you guys, just don't rush it. If you rush it, it won't happen faster. So here is it guys, welcome to my ACT, the new system to schedule your ACT tests and access your scores. So here is it guys, you can create an ACT account because we don't have one. So let's just click on create my ACT account, or ACT, then create my ACT account or ACT, and let's click on new. Let's get started guys. So name on your photo ID required. Let's say our first name is Ned and our surname is Tech, and dot. Okay, our email is this one, our country is this one, street address you can you have to add something like, let's see, this. And the second street address line is optional, city required. Let's take this one. The state, may be this one, and the postal code. You have to enter your birth date, your mobile phone, like guys, also be careful when entering these informations, because you have to be real precise when entering it, and then create a password. So after that, click just on this check mark to agree on the ACT privacy policy, and then just click on I'm not a robot. Then you can verify by text or by email. I'll just verify it by email. Yes, let's just use this and verify our own. So here guys, we have to open another tab. The other tab will be the Gmail tab, or whatever mailing service you use. You may use Yahoo or something else. Just open it and you receive a letter, and this letter will have the 6-digit code that you should have received. Here is it guys, we just enter it, and so our account is verified. Now we can enter and just click on sign in, and I think that we're in. So guys, we have to fill out our row, our country, region. I thought that we did enter it already, but whatever guys, just enter it again. Enter our high school. Let's just say this, and high school graduation year. Let's say that we have graduated in 2023. So here we can see the official ACT prep guide, the official ACT self-paced course. We can get these things. We can see the act prep guide or the other things. We can see this. So this we can buy them. Here is the act test, the official act self-packed course, the official act prep guide, the official act live courses, tutoring, and the Amazon Act Store Act free online test, and the subject guides. So there are free online tests and there are also paid tests. I think that they come by the tutoring program. So the tutoring program is roughly $800, and you also have to agree on the terms of conditions. There's a prep guide which is paid, and there are also, I think, free subject books. Yeah, there are them. You can add them, like you can just select the quantity, like I would like all these, and just after that click on add cart. Also they aren't free, so you have to pay for them. Each one is $22.95. You have, if you have a voucher, waiver, or a promo code, you can enter it and apply. Just discount, and yeah, that is it, guys. So I hope I have helped you in this quick and easy tutorial. If there's something that you would like to know about Act, just ask in the comments. If you'd like another video on this topic, please also write in the comments. Other than that though, guys, please like and subscribe, share with someone you know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.